Hey, this is Echo1 with my review on the Wells D90H. Okay, the gun sucks. Don't get it. And I'm going to tell you why. Start out with the battery. It's tiny. No power. You know. Okay. The mag. It's the worst thing of all. The BBs have to come out this tiny, tiny little hole. The problem is they get jammed, which just makes the gun suck. That's you know, if they had a mag that was actually good for it, like any other gun, it'd probably be good. It's full automatic. You know, it's got rails, both sides. Came with the flashlight, the red dot scope. Put them on my M16 because they suck on this. Doesn't work anyways. Silencer. You know, boom. They got little pins right there on the back. You can put a strap on. That's all I have to say about the gun. The gun sucks. I'd rather use a spring M16 where you have to pull it back every time. The gun, there's just no reason. Tiny little pistol's better than it. It's just the stupid mag that makes it horrible, because you can never shoot anything. You have to pat the back or shake it or find some way to get the BBs unjammed. Well, I guess I'm done complaining with it. I'm just gonna sell it. Alright, well, this is Echo1 out. Comment, rate, do what you do. Alright, thanks for watching.